Welcome to a point of view test drive of the Nissan Qashqai. It's been revised, so they're giving it a new front look. The front design's slightly different. I'll show you inside the back seats here. One of the problems with the Qashqai is that it's a bit smaller than similar SUVs in the back and in the boot as well. That's the boot. I mean, you'll probably find it's enough for family's needs most of the time, but it's not as big as you think. It's not that much bigger than a Volkswagen Golf's boot, really. So let's drive it. This one has the 1.5 litre diesel engine in with 110 horsepower. You can get a 1.6 with 130 horsepower. It's more expensive, but it's not worth it. Not worth it at all. Because that engine doesn't feel much quicker. In fact, it doesn't feel quicker at all. And it's just a bit rougher and noisier. This 1.5 is where it's at, really. You can get a 1.2 litre turbo petrol and a 1.6. The 1.2 is okay around town, but it feels out of its depth on the motorway. It's not great for overtaking at speed. The 1.6 turbo petrol is much better. So if you don't do many miles, but occasionally need to go on the motorway, that's probably the one to go for. If not, this 1.5. Return over 50 miles per gallon all day long. Nissan says it'll do like 74, but yeah, you'll be looking to get that. So this model is the range topping version. It's got this new kind of this watch strap effect on the seats. So it's supposed to be super posh because Nissan reckons people want the ultimate luxury from these kind of cars. Now, I don't reckon you want that model. I reckon you get the end connector because it's got all that you need, such as this infotainment system here, which, well, it's handy that it's got these physical shortcut buttons because then you can whiz through the menus a bit easier than on a normal touchscreen. In terms of the interior design, you've got this new steering wheel. Have a look at it. I quite like this steering wheel. It's very sporty feeling. Got some controls on it as well. But the rest of the design is very similar. Quality is good, actually. The problem is, I just don't know the look of it. It just looks a bit weird and bland. Now, actually, let's move on to the way this car drives. So it's comfortable, it's reasonably quiet, there's some extra soundproofing over the old car. It goes around corners all right. Let's just call it all right look. So it leans a bit and the steering, look. You see? Doesn't do much, but it's fine. It's going to be fine for you if you just want to transport your family about. And on the motorway, it's reasonably quiet, this car. So yeah, Nissan Qashqai. Now, if you want to see what you can get one of these for, just click in the top right hand corner of the screen on the pop-out banner. You can go to carwow.co.uk to compare offers on them. The starting price is £22,000, but with carwow discount, you'll be able to get some money off. So there we go. Quick point of view test drive in the Nissan Qashqai. Have you enjoyed it?